Hey bowling fam, check out this Pyramid Deluxe double roller bowling bag I just got. It's the 2-ball version, and let me tell you, it's pretty sweet. First off, the color is this cool blue and gray combo, very stylish. It's made of this tough 600 denier polyester Oxford material, so it feels really durable, like it can take a beating. You know how some bags feel flimsy? This isn't one of them. Now, the main reason I got this was the double roller wheels. They're wide, like 3 inches wide, and they roll so smoothly. Seriously, it glides like a dream, even on rough surfaces. And the wheelbase is nice and wide, so it feels super stable, no tipping over worries here. The handle is a square design, which I personally prefer, and it extends a full 21.5 inches. That's like 5.5 inches longer than some other handles, which makes a huge difference for taller folks like me. No more hunching over. Storage-wise, it fits 2 balls comfortably, of course. There's a separate shoe compartment, which is a must-have. It says it fits up to a men's size 16, which is pretty impressive. I wear a size 13, and my shoes have plenty of room. You could probably even squeeze in a second pair of shoes if you needed to, like if you bring slides for after bowling. And there are these extra accessory pockets too, perfect for your tape, rosin, wrist support, you name it. Keeps everything organized and easy to find. The bag's dimensions are 21 inches long, 15 inches high, and 13 inches wide. It's a good size, not too bulky, but still holds everything you need. I've used it a few times now, and honestly, I'm really impressed. The quality seems great, it rolls like a champ, and it has all the features I was looking for. If you're in the market for a new 2-ball bag, definitely check this one out. It's called the Pyramid Deluxe Double Roller, and I think it's a real winner. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.